In the wonderful world of Wilton, you're free to create on your terms. Whether that's big batch brownies or tiny muffins, colorful frosted cakes, or even a few delicious mistakes. When it comes to baking, you need tools designed for the way you create. Introducing our new Pick Your Pan approach to bakeware. Whether you're a first-timer or a lifetimer, Wilton is your go-to for easy use, inspired variety, and amazing results fresh out of the oven. Simplify your life with quick-to-clean bakeware made without PFAS forever chemicals, making them better for you and your loved ones, plus more environmentally friendly. Seeking comfort in the kitchen? Our everyday bakeware line is made for kitchen newbies, budding bakers, or those just cracking their cookbooks. Grab these durable basics, get familiar, and give baking a go. Daring to try something new? You'll love our premium bakeware line. Whether recreating trends or starting new ones, the possibilities are endless. For baking hobbyists and busy parents alike, these pans, sheets, and spring forms help you transform your big ideas into impressive treats every time. Finally, for those who pour passion into every pan, we have the Ultra Bakeware line. Cater the party with confidence or effortlessly nail a new recipe. You can trust Ultra to perform for a lifetime. These pans work harder, perform better, and clean even easier. Whether you're seeking dependable basics, versatile quality, or high performance, Wilton has the bakeware for you. So go on, create, share, and fearlessly enjoy.